Would you like to know why you should use laundry management software? Software for laundry management can streamline operations, improve management, reduce costs, and provide an enhanced level of administrative and control capabilities. Through laundry management software, you can run an extremely efficient commercial laundry business. Managing your laundry business manually is a time-consuming activity that can cause delays and negatively impact your customers. Are you spending so much time on daily activities that you lack the time to evaluate the state of your business, limiting your chances for success? PromptTech helps you automate business processes quickly. Our laundry solution provides robust, interactive, user-friendly, and flexible functionality to all sizes and types of laundry operations, such as large and small. Features: integrated POS operation. PromptTech's laundry management software is intended for integrated POS operation. The user can input details such as company name, address, street name, contact details. These details will be printed on the invoice being generated. Customer management. This is an effortless way for laundry businesses to manage customers and more. In the software, you can add the customer details such as name, contact number, email, address, and more. This is for having the record of the customer in your system. You can keep adding details as per your convenience. The software also allows customers to view the status of their orders in real time, send SMS reminders on order completion, and manage feedback through customer surveys. Credit and payment tracking. Another feature of the feature-rich solution is credit and payment tracking. You can learn more about credit and payments. Customer transaction reports can also be understood. Normal, express, and urgent mode options for normal, express, and urgent mode of services that the customer can choose based on their urgency. Based on the mode, normal, express, and urgent, the customers receive laundry with ease. Delivery and collection tracking. Often laundry businesses need to collect and deliver fresh clothes, facilitated by a delivery agent who will collect the payment. This can be tracked with the help of the software. You may also add your employee details within the software. Corporate invoice and credit management. When it comes to PromptTech Laundry software, the invoicing pattern is different. Credit management in laundry software help you to track the bills, make the payments, and match invoices. Online reporting. Reports can be checked in online and offline modes. You can view the reports within the software. Stock report can be actually beneficial in understanding how much stock you need, how much you don't need, etc. A number of reports can be generated such as daily and monthly sales report, customer-wise sales report, delivery boy-wise sales report, customer-wise payment history, Z report, and more. Benefits: the rapid navigation, quick setup process, and a range of outstanding functionalities are what makes PromptTech Laundry software an efficient solution. Order mismanagement. The tiring manual work in a laundromat can be a lot confusing and complicated. From keeping track of all the categories and stages of cloth washing to managing the orders, having PromptTech's laundry management software can be the best option to make the whole process simple and easy. The perfect solution for execution errors and wrong deliveries is adding modern methods of tagging the clothes, thereby having real-time monitoring and tracking the garments digitally. With the help of laundry management software, resolves the issue of making misplaced deliveries and other such mistakes. What are you waiting for? Start streamlining your laundry operations with PromptTech. Get more details and support.